morning, guys, and welcome to VLOGMAS day 19. We're almost at day 20 and I'm super excited. But guys, I have some bad news today. Bad news today. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I developed a little cold sore, I'd say over the weekend or like the beginning of this week, because based on the last vlog you guys saw, I was at that pop-up shop event for the entire day. The sun was scorching hot, and I do have like little bouts of cold sore flare-ups from time to time, and sunburn is one of the major causes of said flare-ups. So I was basically sunburnt. So this came up the next day. Kill my vibes. I don't know if you can hear my voice, but I'm a bit hoarse. I feel like I'm coming down with something. Hopefully I'm not, but you know, too far gone. So my throat is actually, I don't know if you can like relate to when your throat feel like there's sand in it. It's just very groggy and rough. My nose, my nasal passage, I can barely breathe. My eyes have been watery. What else? I don't know. I have headaches. And you know, I already travel with headache. So imagine now that I'm sick, the headache them turn up. So this is gonna be a partial sick vlog. So I hope I don't bore you guys too much, but I'm up super early today. I am making the boys breakfast. I'm making myself some tea actually. So I have some lasco as usual. And I just want to start out in here saying look how it's sturdy. Either way, we move. I just broke one of my favorite mason jars. This camera, like, it has not been a good day. Like, it has been rough, okay? So I'm gonna make myself some chocolate tea. The boys already had their tea, and I'm gonna make them like some eggs or something for breakfast. Yeah, we have eggs, but I don't even have an appetite to even say I'm gonna make breakfast for myself. So I don't even know what I'm gonna eat for the rest of the day, and it's very bleaky outside. So you know, the rain going on. I don't know if you guys can hear like that sound in the background. I have some sheets in the machine going, so I apologize for that if it's too loud. So I have to go try beat the rain for hang out the sheet them and make sure so them dry. Like I don't know how to feel about today. Because when I woke up and decided to put them in, the sky never looks at all. The sky did not look like that. So that's something I have to go and contend with now, and I don't know. Just can't bother. Ever have one of them moods where you just literally can't bother? I cannot be bothered today. I wish somebody would just, you know, get up, make me some breakfast, do all my chores for me, take care of the kids while I just lie down and relax. But it just comes with the territory, guys. If you're a mom, you can relate. When we're sick, it don't even matter. Like, our sickness is just because we got things to do, we got business to take care of. We can't lie down in a bed and wallow in our pity and say, oh, you know, I'm not feeling well. So nope, we gotta get up and we gotta get it done. So that's basically the plan for the rest of the day. So hey guys, journey with me and see what else we can get up to that can make a proper vlog. But it's day 19, guys. I am still going strong, super excited still. My energy might be down, but inside the Christmas spirit still lives. So yeah guys, let's see how it goes. Breakfast. It's a surprise. It's a surprise breakfast.
A pancake? It's so yummy.
You like pancakes?
Yes.
Is pancake your favorite? We have eggs as well. I bought eggs for you guys yesterday.
Danny's World.
What is this?
I like Danny's World, but I'm playing on Roblox.
Danny's World on Roblox. So Javi has been itching to get me into his gaming world, guys. Open up the window, get some fresh air.
Oh yeah.
He wants to teach me how to play. What are you gonna teach me?
Fortnite.
Fortnite?
So
You wanna
you
teach me
don't
how
have to call Daddy, so you can like just play with me.
What is this? So I should learn to play Fortnite so I can play with you? I don't think so. I'm not a fan of Fortnite.
I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you.
What are you gonna show me?
I'm gonna show you how to play. Okay, but I can't show you right now
Because you're in Roblox.
yes, and that twist is like going to kill me if I get too close.
Okay, no problem, guys. As you can see, so guys, the couch cover is off because this young man by the name of Jamir keeps pulling it off and wrapping it up. And then I'm the one who has to put it back on every day. What do you have to say for yourself?
What do
You have to say for yourself? Why you keep taking off the couch cover?
Yeah, you would real.
It's what?
Real.
It looks weird. He says it looks weird. Weird how? You don't like it on it? You prefer the couch gray? You prefer the couch gray? Do you prefer this color?
I don't.
Okay, well maybe.
I don't prefer. I don't prefer this color.
Which color you prefer? The black. Javi prefers the black, as do
Cause
I.
it's comfy.
And he says it's comfy, but Jamir keeps taking it off when he's the one who messed up the couch in the first place. Right? Jamir throw juice, food, everybody, and then trying to get that straight out of the couch. So it want clean right now, which is why I had to go and get the couch cover. But lo and behold, this young man keep taking it off. Pancakes are almost done. Let me put you guys over here. And I'm also gonna pair this with some eggs. Apparently the egg shortage. Oh my god, they're burnt. They got a little bit burnt, but nothing wrong. Hopefully Jamir eat it because he's so picky about his food looking burnt. Get the eggs. So the boys tell me that they want to go to a water park. Y'all want to go to a water park in December? It's December. It's kind of chilly for like pools and water parks and stuff like that. Wanna go there in December? Guys, I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but is it that, I don't know if this is like a Jamaican thing or what, or a Caribbean thing, but when you guys are breaking your eggs, right, do you break them in like a separate bowl, or do you like just break everything in one? Because egg traumatized me before, right? I have been traumatized by eggs because I ended up like cracking them in one bowl, and I reached about 2 good eggs, guys. So when I reached the 3rd one, it was bad. So you know, say that just spoiled everything, and I was on my last 3 eggs, so I had to throw everything away. That was during the egg shortage, by the way. So I'm like, someone could have go buy more eggs. So I learned my lesson. So what I do is I will shake them to test them. So if it's shaking, then it's, you know, kind of iffy, as in it's on the bad side. So if you shake it and you don't hear anything moving in it, then it is deemed good. However, if you shake it and you hear something moving, chances are it's bad. Another way you can test it is to like put it in a bowl of water. So if it sinks, it's good, but if it floats, that means it's bad. ask my granny, and I know it's a two tests, they never fail me yet. So let me know if you guys have ever tried any of those methods, or what's your method of testing if an egg is good or not. Because me tired of this, I'm tired. So thank God these eggs are good. So I'm just beating them up and making some scrambled eggs for the boys. I know me know me I eat it. We move. I have Christmas cake in the fridge. I don't know. Christmas cake for breakfast, is that a thing? I don't know. I've added salt to this, no black pepper because it's really for the boys. So I'm not really gonna like season it up because I don't really like spicy things. As expected, they are kids. So maybe jab here some sorry. The boy said it's spicy. It's so spicy. So I usually keep them away from anything peppery, spicy. And my method to like fluffy eggs, bring them a little closer. My method to like fluffy eggs is to basically wait until the edges start to harden, kind of like this. And then I just pull everything to the center using like the tip of my spatula. Just pull and continue this until everything is fluffy and nice. That's all I do, and I usually get the fluffiest eggs ever, guys. Fluffy and delicious. I'm no chef, by the way. You guys know this. I don't cook. I'm not cookie at all, but I can help myself and I can take care of my kids, and that's about it. Almost, my love. Let's go in and mash it up. It's almost finished, baby. Give me a second. I don't want them to burn because you know the boy them and them stuff. Them not like see nothing brown from the food. Unlike me, I love a burnt crispy egg. They don't. This is it.
Mommy's making egg. And also I see pancakes.
Come over here.
And mommy already made the pancakes too. And we're putting them in the plate.
How many pancakes you want?
Mommy, I want only 2.
Just 2? So you want
I want 10.
You want 10? Alright, no problem. I'll leave these for later.
Okay, right. And give me some egg.
Soon get your eggs.
No. Mommy, see, now I just take out when I make them.
Right,
see,
put
I
it in here.
learn
Take it.
Oh,
good job.
the key's not in.
Alright, thank you. Let me do the rest.
Mommy scooping your egg and putting it in the plate. Mommy, give me more eggs.
Is that egg okay for you?
Mommy, give me more eggs.
You want more eggs?
Yeah. Can you like save some for later, like
save some for later. Alright, we'll leave this for later, okay?
Give me some more, please.
I'll give you more from mine. Okay?
Okay, now mommy.
Want some syrup? Let me put some syrup on it.
Okay, now mommy gonna to put syrup on it.
Okay, and mommy.
Gonna put syrup on the pancake.
What does it say?
Mommy.
It says Mr. Butter or
Mrs. Butter. There's a S. Is the S?
Mommy,
you wanna pour your syrup?
Mommy, only put it on my pancake and on my eggs.
It's only on the pancakes? Okay, is that good?
Yeah, and put ketchup on my eggs.
Alright, give me a second.
Eggs. And we have this and give me, I didn't do a lie, so you didn't tell me. And when you didn't tell me, I didn't remember the moment. I didn't remember you didn't kill me.
Here you go, Javi.
And you didn't kill me. Yes, I did. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Here you go.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. You got it.
Javi, come for your juice, Boogsy. So I ended up having pancakes after all. Even though I don't have an appetite. The egg tastes good. That's good to hear. Javi loves my eggs. You love my egg, Jamir? You're not eating the pancake?
I don't anything with egg and then eat.
Okay.
But it's spicy.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy because it has like ginger in it. And some other spices. And these pancakes are actually very good. It's the ones that they sell in Price Mart. I'm not a fan. I usually just buy what the lady name. The standard pancake in like the red box. I don't remember what it's called. The complete pancake mix. That's the one I'm used to. I think that's a little bit more airy. These are kind of thick-ish. Which one of these juice are you drinking? Jabbing juice. I'm sorry. I'm not.
What's that on the front? What is that you have?
It's my landing gear.
What? Landing gear? Horsepower, landing gear, the energy like a double.
Guys, I'm gonna finish up eating my breakfast and then I have some work to do. So we'll be sewing today as well. Yes, in my 6 states. No limits over here. So after I'm done, I'm gonna take you guys in the sewing room and we're gonna finish up a project. I actually started this project from last night, but I was just not feeling well, so I just went to sleep. So we're gonna finish up today. So I'll catch you in a few. So we're in white today. I'm gonna pin these up. Try and go ahead and pin them.
Oh yes, she is. Grandma said hi.
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 How are you?
You're not the I can't see her. I can't see her. I see her.
No, you're not bundled up. Alright, not cool.
Because the room is warm.
Oh,
I
okay.
still have on thermal wear,
Oh,
socks,
gloves.
overshirt, jacket,
Okay.
the whole works.
Okay, good. So guys, I'm just taking these pins all the way around, and even though I've been sewing for years, I still go ahead and I pin my stuff. The boy them around this a record video. I soon show you them, but I want to get this out of the way first because I have another piece that I'm making as well. So I'm just trying to be as efficient as possible. So just in case I doze off again, this will be done. So I'm going to take another multi-symptom shortly and probably some allergy medicine. I feel like my allergies are flaring up, like allergies are act up as well. Let me see the video of the queen with the running record.
Yeah, we have some. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start the video when Darren going for the action.
You know, we can't go to that channel though. What do you think about that? You want that channel?
It wouldn't have been like long, but it just
What?
like dark.
That's okay. It's stop on its own or you stop it?
It's stuff.
You probably not have no storage, my love. I forgot to buy you a phone or something.
Alien should I try?
Guys, leave in the comments and let us know if we should give the boys their YouTube channel. They do like gaming and stuff like that. What's Jamir without shirt? Jesus. We don't have to go wear clothes though, because they cannot be on the internet naked.
can be in it.
Jamir have to wear clothes where we can go. Alright, so I'll think about it, okay? Let's ask Daddy and we'll think about it. I need to put back the couch cover on the couch. Get up and go and put back the couch cover. Please and thank you. And stop taking it off.
couch cover?
Yes, the black thing that I put on the couch.
It's hard to do it.
So you take it out, but you can't put it on.
Sometimes they come around or I just take it off.
Okay, alright.
Mom, I didn't delete some of them. I didn't delete the ones what I don't like.
Yeah, okay. Can you edit videos?
I think so. Look, I just like edit this one.
Like cut it out and piece it back together? Can you do that? That won't edit your video them because I don't me. I tell you from down, it ain't me. Okay? So you need to get an editor. Ask your father to edit for you. Alright?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, it is hours later. Well, not hours, but a couple hours later. I'm having a slice of Christmas cake. So delicious. Right now my sewing room is a mess. From the pop-up events, I have everything in here still. I'm not sure if I should pack them up or just keep them up because I might have another event coming up. Not certain, so just in case, but just I keep them, you know, at arm's length where I can just grab and go. So it's about lunchtime now, but I'm not that hungry. As I mentioned this morning, I don't really have an appetite, so I'm just having this as a cake and some sorrel. Sorrel bad, man, I tell a lie. And guys, don't kill me. The baking video is coming. I just haven't gotten the time to, you know, go ahead and bake the cake. But the Christmas now done, I'm gonna bake the cake here. It's my first time baking, so wish me luck, guys. Drop some recipes in the comments if you've baked a Christmas cake before or a fruit cake, and some instructions as well because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. As it stands for the rest of the day, I'm still working. I don't know if I'll be cooking today. I really don't want to cook. Honest to God, I don't like cook. So I might go on the road to get some food. I also have cake and sorrel to drop off for my grandparents, so might do that. What else? As long as I finish work today, I just chill with the boys and play games. Jabby has been asking me to play Fortnite with him, guys, but I'm not a gamer. I'm not a video game fan like that, but I do play with them from time to time. So I might play Fortnite with him later. I promised him, so I have to. So yeah, just to give him a quick check in. Still not feel 100, but you know, we move. And this may be a short vlog. That's okay. I know you guys are okay with that. The girl is really trying in these VLOGMAS streets. Trust me. Everybody been saying VLOGMAS is hard. So people start VLOGMAS, end up have to stop, and it really is hard. Kudos to everybody who is doing VLOGMAS and doing it consistently. But personally speaking, when I decided to do VLOGMAS, I knew that I was going to vlog every single day. So of course I did a couple like batched content ahead of time to help like fill the gaps here and there. I also knew that I was gonna take one day out of the week to, like, you know, just relax and enjoy myself, which is Saturday. If you guys have noticed, we don't do vlogs on Saturdays. I just let you guys go ahead and catch up, so that was also intentional. What else? Yeah, I'm just doing what works best for me. I have 2 kids, I have a job, I have so many events, I have so many orders. VLOGMAS is just something that I added to my priority list at the end of the day, and I just have to see it through. And if you know me, I don't start things that I can't finish, or I try my best to finish them. So you guys, just wish me luck and just stay tuned for the rest of the VLOGMAS series, because the closer I get to Christmas, the more festive it will be. I know you guys haven't been seeing much like Christmassy things, but it's coming. Don't listen, it's coming. Okay.
Oh, you just got to sit on it.
I have to sit here.
Yeah, but how to put it up?
I don't remember. Into my hair today.
But they're making it.
Ow!
I didn't think this one.
You got to be gentle, bro.
I know that you're not happy.
What is he not happy with?
Because I changed his skin.
What's
I have
what?
a headache. Come here. Hurry up with my service, please. I have work to do.
Wait, I need to do mommy's hair.
Okay.
Javier not coming to the barber.
Why?
So Javier can do your hair too.
What?
Yeah.
You're like a human. You can like.
Javier, what is that you're putting in my head? Don't put that up.
It's a voice something.
Javier, that's a hook. It will hook my hair and get stuck in there. Okay? Combs and brushes only. I beg of you.
Okay, let me just get both my ones and that one hurt.
All of them hurt. My head hurts. Everything hurts at this point. I not recommend nobody to the barber. Yeah. I swear to you. No. It will rough up my head. You want to put hook in my head? Jamaica, can I go now?
No, I still in your hair.
Okay, what is that you went for? Careful.
I thought you was lower hair, but they were not.
Oh, that's okay. So where did you go to learn how to do hair?
Well, I didn't really not get. Somebody did it to me, so it's pretty easy to know.
Oh, the barber did it to your hair, so that means it's easy to know.
Yeah.
Okay.
But everyone it would be way easier.
Sure.
You have to cut off some.
Cut off what? Cut off what? You know what? Me done with that barber shop here. Come on. You know, cut off my ear. Come on. Come on. Right. Go. Alright, let me do your hair though. Sit in the chair, let me cut your hair. Come.
I do have it.
Come, man. Come, let me do your hair. Come. Oh my God. I'm out, Jamir. I am out. The hearts were never meant to race. Guys, I almost got the chance to show you guys the most beautiful sunsets. It's obviously gone now. I can see like remnants of it. It's so beautiful. But it's all the way on the other side. It's to my right. I'm gonna see it. Dum-ta-da-dum-tum. It's so pretty. I wish you guys could see it. Either way, but if I'm away, I go drop off some cake and sorry like I mentioned earlier. Beer smoke down yes, man. How are you going? I'm going down the place. Yeah, I'm gonna drop off some cake and sorry for my grandparents. Then I'm gonna pick up my food. I call people them all long and tell them say I'm coming and I'll know. But them usually say 5 to 10 minutes. But when I go down there, you have to wait when they call. So I try to time them perfectly. Where is this young man? Stop right there, so. Actually, I'm picking up a order for Shanice. So guys, we're at Frankie's 876 food truck. They sell like chicken and fries. So them have an entire menu up here. So them have like burgers, wraps, stuff like that. You name it. Ordered the chicken and the fries. So we're gonna do a little taste this and see. Thank you. So I got 2-piece chicken with fries. And I like my fries well done. So yeah. Guys, I'm trying to show y'all the beautiful sunset I was telling you about. But it's faint, it's gone down. So guys, I'm back home and I don't feel like going in right now. You know what I'm looking for vibes when you reach home, you just want to sit in the car and relax, chillax. So me feel right now. I'm gonna stay in the car and have a look on mukbang. And it's funny how I went on TikTok. Follow me by the way at Shanice Jodian. And tell the people that I'm eat a mukbang. Yes, still have me this. Come on YouTube with the bag of mukbang. So this is the food. I got fried chicken and fries. I tell them I want the fries well done. It's kind of well done, but I like when it's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, just the way I love it. And guys, don't get it twisted. I'm not in any way, shape, or form trying to hide food from the boys because they don't eat these things. Well, let me eat fries. I plan to share it with them, but I just wanted some time alone to myself. I have a headache. Right now, they're gaming non-stop. So I know the place noisy. And I'm not one of those parents who like either eat food, hide the food from the kids, go out eat, and I bring back food for them, put them. Nope, that is not me. If I go out and I eat something that I know the boys love and I don't bring back anything for them, I feel so guilty. Mom guilt. I don't know if your moms can relate. Like, I feel so bad. But luckily, these guys are very picky. So most time I'm out, I may eat, I not have to worry. But growing up, no matter where my mother went, she really gets it from me now. No matter where this lady went, she'll bring home food for you. Does not matter what. If it's even one bite of food, she not eat off her food, she'll bring it. And that was me and my sister. I always use some of her food for, and that's something that was kind of ingrained in me. So it's kind of good and bad, because whenever she left and come back without the food, like, I feel that way, like, this where the food is. But whenever she could, she did. No matter where she goes, she'll bring back food for you. And I'm kind of like that now, because sometimes Jason will come in and like, we promise my food and forget to buy the food. I don't do that. Move vex with you. So everybody knows the food and my love language. So if you promise me something and don't get me, especially food, I'm gonna have you up. So I will come in and say, oh crap. Sometimes I will run joke and say, oh crap, Janice, I forgot the food, blah blah blah. Just to see if I'll get miserable and get vexed. But yeah, him know good. If him say I'm gonna bring home food, or even if he doesn't, him just bring home food for me and whatever. So that's a love language of mine. Now I understand where it came from. If we're out eating and we eat like patty and them something there, the boy them have to get them patty. This is a parent thing, I guess. I don't know. It's just a me thing, because I've spoken to other people and they're like, you know, they might eat a road and them the business, no guilt, guilt free, clear conscience. I couldn't do it. But yes, I was gonna say I have a headache. Partially tired, partially want to sleep, but I have something to finish up tonight. But I'm not talking with food no more now. Well, I'm talking, but I hope you guys are not seeing it. The sunset is still vaguely there, I can see it. And that's something I love with this new location, like the view. I can watch the sunset every evening, and I love that. And we have this like big front window where like the light just comes in and floods in the like late evening hours. Lighting is tea. Like, guys, so I'm gonna start some nice like sit down videos on YouTube. I'm gonna get a camera and the quality up. And I'm gonna see all the lights, the golden hour, yeah. When I get to experience the real golden hour, I'm telling about the lighting in the evening, tea. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. But yeah, guys, the food and the ketchup, so that's the only reason why I'm going. There's some ketchup on the food and these fries are choking me. I'm gonna head inside, share the fries with the boys, add some ketchup and go back to work. So depending on how my night goes, this may be the end of Vlogmas Day 19. But we'll see. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I'm not close out just yet, guys. Give me a few. Give me a few. So guys, it is now, what time is it? It's now 12:39 and a girl is still up trying to finish sewing on, and I'm hand sewing, by the way, guys. So I need my thread here hand sewing some crystals on this cute little top. How cute is it? Love, love, love it. I'll be adding some more here all over the place, just to try to find a little pattern to work with. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. That is my night. I am so tired. I need to go and take a shower and go to my bed because I have no business being up this late. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. I'm giving myself about 10 more minutes to finish up, and then I'm gonna hit the hay. The boys, well, one of the boys are sleeping. Guys, let's just leave it at that, okay? Let's not even get into that. They don't have school, so they're kind of on a little, you know, relaxed bedtime or a little relaxed schedule. But tomorrow shall be an eventful day, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see y'all in the morning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And while you're at it, go on over on Instagram and check out my business page. It is clubcouture_JA. And support a hard-working boss babe, right? Get your customized swimsuits, vacation pieces, anything. Just hit your girl up. I got you. Until next time, guys. Bye.